Hey y'all, good morning. It is Tuesday, a very chilly Tuesday in Louisiana. It's currently 38 degrees down here. It's not snowing, but it's real cold and the wind is freezing. Just wanted to check in, say hi. Just a little update. As of right now, I started making wig units that's gonna be for sale. So if you all are interested, share this, leave comments, tell me what you all are looking for, and I do ship. So let me know what you all think. But I just wanted to come in and touch bases with you all. I'm sorry, but this is ridiculous. Pass my ass up if I'm driving too slow. I am sorry. And I'm going to be the one to get the damn ticket by speeding. And he going to be off scot-free. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and touch bases with y'all. Tell y'all what's going on. And then I'll have a follow-up later. I'll get back with you all later on. I'm on my way to work as usual. So I'll come in and show you a unit that I just finished making over the weekend that's for sale. I'm going to insert clips as well. Leave comments, details, share. Let me know what you all think, what you all are interested in. Because like I said, I do ship out. So, yeah, let me know. In this clip, y'all, I did a sew-in with a lace closure, Jerry curly Brazilian hair on my daughter's hair. Let me know what you all think. Something cute, manageable, and she actually loved it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video as well. Also, stay tuned. I will be uploading in full detail of me actually installing the hair. Thank you and stay beautiful.